Welcome to Tech It's Simple. I'm back with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to be a top pick in Tinder. It's a great way to increase your visibility and stand out to potential matches. Let's get started. To begin, open your Tinder application and navigate to the home page. Click on the human icon at the right corner below to access your profile. Once in your profile base, click on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen to enter the settings options. As you scroll down through the settings, look for the Topics section, just below the Events section. Under Topics, you will find Manage Topics and Settings. Click on Settings to expand the settings related to topics. Here, you will see the option to Show Me on Tinder Topics. By turning it on, you will enable yourself to be displayed as a featured top pick to other users. This can significantly boost your profile's visibility and make you more noticeable to potential matches. Simply toggle the button to enable this feature, and you're all set to become a top pick on Tinder. Being a featured topic can make your profile more prominent and increase your chances of attracting attention from users who share similar interests or preferences. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications on more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.